So should we start with the interview?
Yes, sir. Sure.
You can open a programmer's compiler. Can you write? You can remove this all the comments.
Okay.
Okay. Write console log empty array
Empty array.
double equal to empty array and
Okay, sir.
in next line
Next line.
console log
Okay.
write empty array double equal to empty string.
It's empty string.
Yep. And tell me what will be the output on both the cases and why.
Okay. I think for the both the cases, it will result to false.
Why?
Why? Like array is the reference data type in JavaScript,
Okay.
where the memory. Where the
Can you
memory
zoom it a little? Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah.
Here the value will points to the memory location.
Okay.
Even though the array is empty, but it is having a different heap memory location, and this array is having different heap memory location. We are using loose comparator, but the value will be compared is a different memory location here.
Okay. Different memory location. Okay. The second one?
Yes, the second one as well, I think it will points to the memory location,
Okay.
and this will point to an empty string.
Okay. Do you know what double equals to do?
Yes, sir. It is a loose comparator. It helps in type correction and the JavaScript. It will implicitly converts the type of one data type to another.
Double equal to operator.
Yes.
Okay. So why? Okay. Why when it converts one data type to another?
Like if you are like here we are mentioning as inside this string we are mentioning 5, and here we are just mentioning the 5. So it will convert this 5 to a string, and it will compare both, and the type correction happen, and it will resolve it to true.
True. But why here it is false then?
I think it is of the non-primitive type data. And first case I'm sure about that, but second I doubt that it will points to an empty string like this, or it will points to an memory.
So both will be false as per you.
Yes.
Okay. You can run it.
Okay. Here, here I was.
Any idea? Why is it so? You told me double equal to it changes one data type to another, but when it changes,
Like here we are comparing another
data type, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So you should be able to reflect on your answers as well, right? Okay. Let me give you. Okay. Can you write a function? You can remove this. Function with any name. Write any name. And take any argument x.
Okay.
And inside that write console log. Yeah, with tilde operator. Double. Write this.
I never used this.
Okay, you never used it. Okay. Okay. And so you must not having any idea why we use double tilde operator.
No, sir, I never.
Okay, no worries. Okay. You can remove this. Okay. Okay. Just keep it as it is and write print
Here.
after no after this curly braces.
Okay.
Write print and write 2.8. Any idea what it can print?
No, sir.
No.
I can guess, but I'm not.
Yeah, you can guess it.
Yeah, if I can guess, it will convert it to a whole number. I'm not sure about that.
Okay. Okay. So what it will be the output? As it will be converting into a whole number.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
My
Fine.
guess was that.
Okay. Okay. Remove all this. Write any array. Write 200, comma 300,
Okay.
comma 2,
Okay.
comma 3,
Okay.
and comma 5.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. And do ARR dot sort. And do console log of that ARR and tell me what can be the output. Always keep array as a constant. Const.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. What will be the output?
I think it will not definitely short like 1, 2, 3, 5, 200 and 300. I heard about this short on some other cases.
So what will be the output?
No, sir. I think I'm not sure about that because I know there is something like instead of the only the value of the numbers, it will short by another means. I'm not sure which means it will short.
So
Yeah. Yes, sir.
what is the thing which is not getting it sorted? So why we use sort function then?
Like to short it in ascending or descending order.
So why you are saying that it won't sort?
Yes, sir. It will short, but that the thing is it will not short only based on the values. Some other way, like other thing it will take to consideration.
What is the other thing?
That I'm not sure about that.
You're
sir.
not sure?
I came across this, but I didn't know.
Okay, just run it. Tell me what can be the idea behind this.
I think it will consider the first value.
Yeah.
Then it's looking for any other digits are there. Then it's putting in the front. Then it's taking the next one. Then other digits are there. Then the greater to the 3 is 5.
Okay. Okay, keep it as there 30 in last and tell me what will be the output. In last, keep 30 and tell me what can be the output then.
330 and 300.
Okay, between 300 and 3 there will be 30.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you
Okay.
run it, sir?
Yeah, you can. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now this sorting it doesn't happen. Okay. Now can you do the sorting in ascending order?
Using the inbuilt sort.
Yeah. So we have used inbuilt sort operation. What you will do then?
Yes. I think we need to pass. We need to take 2 arguments and we need to return
Yes, yes. Yeah, you are going in a right thinking. You can try it.
I saw this code and I have read about something on the Stack Overflow or somewhere. But
Okay.
I was doing a DSA and those stuff in C++, so I was not comfortable with using usability function. I'm working on it.
Okay, you can try it.
I never used this, but this is not the correct way.
Okay. Okay, you can remove this.
Okay.
And write a console log of 1. In next line, write set timeout.
Next line.
Yes, set timeout with a function. You know how to write? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Write in curly braces console log of 2.
Okay.
With 1000 millisecond.
Okay.
Then write set timeout.
Okay, I'll copy this.
Yeah, you can copy this. Yeah, and write console log of 3.
Okay.
With 0 millisecond.
Okay.
And write console log of 4.
Console log of
4.
4.
Yep.
Okay.
And tell me what will be the output. You can clear that output. Yeah, and tell me.
Okay, the output will be 1, 4, 3 and 2.
1, 4, 3 and 2.
1, 4.
Okay. So even if there is a 0 millisecond.
All the callback function will be operated in the asynchronous way, right? So
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Cool. 1432. Okay. Okay. Write a function.
I can command this out or I can remove this.
Yeah, you can remove this.
Function.
Write any function name.
Okay, I will keep it as any function.
Okay. Keep with 3 parameters.
I will keep it as A, B and C.
Okay, and keep middle one b equals to 0. Okay, and write console log of after after curly braces.
After curly braces.
Write console log of any function that you have written. Any function. Dot length.
Dot
length.
Okay.
And tell me what will be the output.
Function dot length.
There are 3 parameters.
Yes, sir. Then if it's taking the parameter, the length should be 3. I think so.
What do you think b equals to 0 I have given?
That we can call it as a default value. So like if you are not passing any value to the b, and we will consider it is equal to 0. So we can prevent it is pointing to undefined or null. We can use default value like that.
Okay, so length will be 3.
Yes.
Okay, just comment it out this one. Okay, write one more function with any other name. Write ABC. Okay, okay, that's fine. Okay, okay. No, it is. Write any 2 parameters.
Okay.
And write rest. You know how to put rest parameters.
Here the rest operator.
Can we write in the middle?
No sir, we should have the criteria is we should use only one rest parameter and it should be in the last.
It should be in the last. Okay, write it down. Okay, and after curly braces.
After curly braces, okay.
Write console log of abc.length. Yeah, and tell me what can be the output.
So basically here the rest operator will group all the remaining variables here, the arguments we are passing it into an array. As per as I never use this function dot length, what I would guess is it will take this array as a single parameter. That length should be 3.
Are you sure?
I am not sure sir, because I never use this function dot length to check the length of the parameter. So what I am assuming here is it will take this B and the A and B will be considered as first and second, and I doubt that it will take this array as a single element, or it will loop through each element of the array and it will take consideration. That is the case, that it depends on how much arguments we are passing, and if it considered as a single, then the length should be 3.
Length should be 3. Okay, you can run it.
Okay, it is 2.
And you can check the first one. Why is it so 1? Any idea why it can be 1?
No sir, I don't have any idea on this.
Okay, just remove that b equals to 0. Instead of write a equals to 0. And run it. Run it. 0. Now, by comparing that previous one, and you can comment this from 6 statement and run again. See, here it is 0 and in the previous one it was showing 1. So by comparing both function, can you able to understand the concept what's happening here? Okay, just copy this function with console log.
Okay.
Copy all.
Okay.
And remove that comment which is from 6 statement and paste it there. Write 1. Any function 1. No. Yeah, and remove that a equals to 1. Write b equals to 0. And no. Write there dot length with dot length. Yeah, 1. And run it. You are not able to understand the concept here.
Here we are giving a value to the default value to the parameter, and here it is stopping the consideration and taking the next one. Here we are in the starting itself, we are giving the default value to the parameter, and so it is giving the output as 0. But I am not sure about the concept, how it is looking and how it is.
Even by comparing those two.
Yeah, what I can see here, whenever we are assigning this default value, it is like here it is printing 0. So here it's not taking consideration of.
Keep it as 1. And tell me what. Okay, you have run it. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, no worries. Okay, so by comparing these two, what you are able to understand?
So when we are giving a default value to the parameter,
Yeah.
So it's not considering the things which is follow-ups to the parameter, like B and C it's not considering, and it's not considering the A as well, but here it is considering the A as the length, but here we are passing some
Okay, instead of b equals to 0, if we do c equals to 0, then what will happen?
I guess it will be 2.
Okay, okay. Can you do infinite currying? Any example of infinite currying? Can you go ahead with this?
Currying is the concept making a function, taking passing and like taking n parameters to a function having individual function having more than one parameter.
Have you done infinite currying function?
I implemented currying, but
do you know infinite currying?
No, sir. I'm not sure.
Okay. You have done currying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write an example. Write multiplication of 3 numbers.
Okay.
Yep.
Yes, sir. I have
1, 2. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Remove this.
Okay.
Write any string. Yeah. Okay. Write any sentence like this is Praveen, and I want output as like this in first line, second line is third line Praveen. You got my point?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay.
So it will be yes, sir. Maybe there will be some better ways to do, but
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay. No worries. Can you have in an array? You can have any sub arrays?
So is this question I need to declare like that, or you're asking?
Remove this. Remove all this.
Okay.
In an array, have multiple sub arrays.
Like this.
Yeah. Write any 2 elements in each sub arrays.
Any values, sir.
Just flat this array, right? I want all the elements in a single array instead of remove sub arrays. That's what I want.
It will return an array. Flatten or structure. Okay.
Can you do without inbuilt?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir, I have done.
Okay. Okay. Remove all this. Can you write is an n console log of
Okay.
is an n is nan
Okay, is an.
and inside that write any string abc
Okay.
and tell me what will be output.
Yes, sir, it will result to true.
It will be true.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir, it's not a number, right? It's a string, so I think it will be true.
And if it is empty string then?
Yes, sir, still it will be true.
Okay. What is the use of has own property?
Has own property.
Yes.
I think I have used that sometime in my project. Like if you want to target something, instead of going to the child and you have to target this property. I'm not much sure about that.
Okay. What is the difference between call, apply, and bind?
Okay. The call, apply, and bind, all the three will be used for the purpose of functional borrowing. So we can mention one object as parameter, and we can use the values of that object to call a function of another object or a function which is declared in the global scope as well. And like the call method, as I mentioned, it will mention the parent object and it will call the function. And the difference between apply and call is that the call will take the arguments as individual values, where the apply will consider the parameters as a array. You can pass it as array. Bind function, like instead of just calling the function, it will return the function, which we can store it in a variable and called in the later point of time or code.
Okay. Any other few differences
Between call, apply, and bind?
Yep.
Yes, the difference between call and apply is all the three will be used for functional borrowing, and the call will take the arguments as individual, and where the arguments, the parameter received in apply can be taken as
Okay. Do you know what is pure function and what is impure function?
Okay. For the given output, for the given input, we are getting the same output. So it is called the pure function, but there will be no side effect. For the given input, there will be a same output. The impure function, it may vary that the given value might be the same, but the output will be different. So this is called impure function.
Okay. Can you write example of pure function?
Okay. Yes. So this is the basic example of pure function.
An impure function?
Like suppose we are checking. Like we are setting any parameter and we are checking and we are changing the output for the same input. Right. not sure, sir. It should return 7. The second console.
Okay. Do you think you will be able to do it?
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So here we can see for the same input, we are getting
different output. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can remove all this. Write any array. Write any elements, any 3 to 4 elements. Okay. And in next line, write delete ARR of 1.
Delete
A
and to pass it as a function.
No. Okay. It's okay. ARR of 1. Do you know delete operator?
I never used this as this JavaScript uses this thing.
Okay, it deletes the data basically, but okay, so if you don't know, you don't have any idea on this delete operator.
No, sir. In C++, this I use that because we need to manually remove the storage space while using list and all. But
remove the storage space.
Not remove the storage space, to clear the storage.
Okay. Okay. So what will be the array length after deleting first? What it will delete? Which data it will delete first? Tell me.
The array values will be stored in the heap memory, and I think it will delete the value of 6.
And now after deleting, what will be the length of the array?
I think still it will be 3.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Because if it deletes, I don't think this arrays like the elements will move up to particular unship.
So what it will happen then?
Like it will delete this memory space, memory like utilized by this variable.
Okay.
Array 1, and I think here it will be undefined or something. I'm not sure about
okay.
that. I don't think the array will unship to cover the length of 2.
Okay, so you mean to say array length will be 3?
Yes,
sir. Okay. Okay, we'll move to React. Have you done, you have done projects, right?
Yes.
Where do we check version?
Okay, our version of the dependencies.
Yes.
Like, we can check that in the package.js.
Okay. Okay, tell me, what is JSX?
JSX.
JSX.
Okay, JSX. Yeah, JSX stands for JavaScript XML.
Yeah.
Which is used in React, which enables us to write the HTML and CSS code together.
Okay. So JSX, they are understandable by browsers, right?
JSX, like, yeah, by the JSX will not be understandable by browser, so it will be parsed to an object, and it will be placed inside the DOM as a JavaScript objects. Okay. It will be done by, I guess it will be done by the baffle.
What are HOCs?
Yes, sir, what you are asking?
What are HOCs?
Higher order components it's function similar to the higher order function, which takes another component as the argument, and based on the logic we are writing inside the callback function, and it will add those logics to the component and return a new component, so it helps in reusability of the code. Okay.
What are React fragments?
Yes, React fragments. Yeah, the limitation of JSX, it can return only one node at a time. It cannot return multiple nodes. So if we want to return multiple nodes at a time, we need to group all them together by any means. Like basically, we can use div for grouping that. But the problem with using div is that it will add an extra node. Like if we are designing a complex application, we will be having multiple levels of views for rendering a simple element, which will be difficult for the developers to do debug as well, and sometimes it might affect our CSS as we are having multiple level of view. So React fragment, what does it group the elements without adding a node to it, so it will be easy to debug, and like our CSS will not be affected, and it will make the code less weight as it's not adding any new node to the element.
Okay. Do you know how state differ from props?
Yes, the states are mutable, where the props are not immutable. And if you want to pass the state to another element, we can pass it by using the props. Props is basically used to
So what's the difference between mutability and immutability?
Like mutable means we can have the right permission, like we can able to change the value.
Okay.
Immutable means like only the read permission. We can able to get access to the values, but we can't able to make any changes to that.
Okay. You have used both class and functional components?
No sir, only functional components I have used.
Okay. So, can you tell me how will you do mounting, updating, and mounting in functional components?
Okay. So we can use hooks provided by the React. We'll utilize the React lifecycle status. Like we can use the use effect hook.
Okay.
To get use of the component bit mount, like whatever the function we are returning logic we are returning inside the callback function inside the use effect hook, that will be implemented after the in the phase of component.
Okay.
After the render phase. So and it will have a dependency array in the use effect hook, so we can pass any iterable array of values. So once that value will change, again this use effect callback function will be called and the execution will happen. So in that phase we can utilize the component did update phase of React lifecycle, and it will we can return a cleanup function as well in the use effect hook, where we can make use of the component will unmount phase of the React lifecycle.
Okay. What are the parameters will be passed in each mounting, updating, and mounting through functional component? We will be using use effect, right?
Yes.
Now, what are the parameters will be passed for mounting, for updating, and for unmounting?
For mounting, we are passing the callback function, and for unmount, for updating, we are passing the dependency array, and a component did mount, we can use the callback function to execute on the.
That's it. That's the only parameter we will be passing.
Yes, sir. I think so.
Okay. Go ahead.
And the dependency array which we are passing will be utilize the component bit update, and the cleanup function which we are returning from the callback function will be utilized for component will unmount.
Okay. Component unmount will be
cleanup function.
Cleanup function. Okay. What are the hooks you have used?
Yeah, I have used it, use context, use reducer, and use effect. Use context I have.
Okay.
Use reducer, use context, and use effect.
Okay. How do you handle forms in React?
Like only the input or the entire form?
Forms. Have you worked on forms?
Yes, sir. Not that many times, but a couple of times I have worked with forms.
So how do you handle forms?
We can have a submit button. And
I'm asking how do you handle?
I'm not getting, sir. How do you handle instance?
Okay. No worries. How do you handle events in React?
Events.
Yep.
I'm not getting the word. How do you handle any you can give any scenario that would be.
What are the basic things you do for events?
You need to ask the add event listener, which I'm listener set time
Like any syntax you can provide.
No, sir. I am not actually getting the question.
Like, okay, so I'm asking events. Okay, so have you used events?
Yes, sir.
So what are the things you have used for handling? Okay, for mouse click events, what you
Okay.
have used?
Yeah, I have used the first I will attach the add event listener, then I will pass the callback function to the
In React, I'm
event
saying.
in React.
Yep. Have you used on click on change?
Yes, sir. In input element, I have used on click on change.
Okay. Okay.
That okay. I was not getting the question. I
Okay,
thought
that's
like how
fine.
you
No
have.
worries. No worries. No worries. What's the purpose of use reducer hook?
Yeah, it enables us to have state of the functional component like similar to use state. It enables us to have the state of the component, but like the state are more complex and interconnected to each other. Instead of having a different use state for every different state for every thing, we can merge it together and we can have a initials. We can have the state which we can dispatch the action, and we can based on the action we can alter the state of the functional component.
Okay. You can stop the screen sharing. Okay. Praveen, tell me, how do you test React components?
How do I test?
Yes. React components.
Components?
Yes. Have you done testing?
No, sir.
Do you know jest?
No, sir. I heard about that. Those we need to write some code to test that, but I'm not sure. I never did that.
Okay, no worries. What's the difference between use memo and use callback?
Yeah, use memo and use callback. Both are used for optimization the React application.
Okay.
Basically, the use callback, and both are using the concept of memoization.
Yeah.
The use callback will memoize the complete function when we are passing a function as an argument.
Okay.
So every time the function will be the functions are stored in the hash memory. Every time when the function is declared again, the value will be changed. So instead of avoid the multiple re-renders, we will be memoizing the function with the use of use callback. And the use memo, instead of memoizing the complete function, we will be memoizing the value calculated by the function. Like we will basically use the use memo when the function execution will take a lot expensive calculation. We will use the use memo.
Okay. Have you used Axios?
I am using the inbuilt fetch, but
Fetch.
I heard about Axios. It's a
You have used fetch?
Yes.
Okay. So what it is used for?
Like to make an API call to fetch or to post something.
Okay. Got it. How can we combine two or more rows or columns in the HTML table?
In HTML table, how we can combine more rows and columns?
Yeah. Two or more rows or two or more columns. How can we club or combine?
I have not used the HTML table before.
Okay, no worries. You don't know, right?
Yes, I never used.
Okay, no worries. What is image map?
Image map?
Yes.
I'm not sure about the map part.
Okay, no worries. Do you know the difference between meter tag and progress tag?
Progress tag?
Yes, meter tag and progress tag. Yes, and their difference.
But I never heard this.
Do you know what is data list tag?
No, sir. This all I'm hearing for the first time.
Okay. What is the difference between div and span tag?
Yeah, the display property of the div tag will be a block where it will take the entire width of its parent. For the span tag having a display property of inline, it will take up the space which is required to render its contents.
Okay.
we are declaring the div, like it will start in the new line, but when we are declaring the span, it will take, if available width is there in the same line, it will take that width and it will enter in that space.
Okay, okay. What are empty elements?
Void elements. Okay, so empty elements is also called as void elements, where it doesn't require the closing tag to be present. It's not mandated to have a closing tag, and it doesn't have any content over.
Okay.
The examples are br, hr,
Okay.
and the image tag.
No closing tags, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. We will move to CSS.
Okay.
What is the difference between display none and visibility hidden?
Okay. The property of a display none, the element will be kept, element will be completely removed from the layout, wherein the visibility hidden, the element will takes the space in the layout, but its content will be like hidden.
And memory space will be taken in?
It takes up this memory space in the DOM.
No. Memory space will be taken in which? Display none or visibility hidden?
In display none, it is completely, it's like completely removed from the layout.
Okay.
And it will be completely like pulled from the DOM.
Okay. How can we add gradients in CSS? Do you know what is gradients?
No, sir. Not much sure about that.
It shows transition basically between multiple colors.
Okay. I never used that.
Okay. No worries. What is specificity in CSS?
Like if multiple designs we are applying to the same element.
Yeah.
And this will look for how specific the rule is for an element, and it will apply that. That's why it's called cascading. Like it will check the specificity, position, importance, and other things.
Okay. Praveen, that's it for the interview.